So my sister's doing the cup song. Here she is.
Nailed it.
No, go.
I was just doing that for the beginning.
No, you did the song. Oh. Go, hurry up. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottles of whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my bed. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round. Don't want the prettiest of views. It got mountains, it got rivers, it got sights to give you shivers, but the sure would be the prettiest with you. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Okay, we're not done yet because no. I'm gonna do my version of singing it because she made like 500 mistakes while singing the song. I could just tell. Now this is me singing.
Apparently.
This is me singing. I'm still doing the cup song. She doesn't know how to do it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I got my ticket for the long way round. Stop. 2 hours before the way. Now I sure would like some sweet company. Tomorrow, what you say?
When I'm gone.
When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm away. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna. Oh, messed up.
You done?
I messed up. Alright. Just peace.
Okay.